Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you build diagrams using ChatGPT with the use of ChatGPT Plus. So you have to be subscribed to this guys, and let's get right into it. So on settings and beta, make sure that you have plugins enabled. On GPT-4, go over to plugins here, make sure it is selected, not GPT 3.5, plugins beta, and go ahead and go over to plugin store and just use here. Make sure you install here either one of this, but I recommend to use this one. So diagram show me. So there guys, so once installed, make sure here that the only plugin enabled is that one. So diagram. So for example, make me a flowchart about gym management system like that. So there guys, you can basically ask this plugin to make anything for you with diagrams. So you just have to wait for this to finish. And it will be depending on the server guys. So you can also go ahead and retry if you are having problems with this. And there guys, so you just have to go ahead and retry it. So as you can see guys, you can view this diagram, and as you can see it basically made it for you. And you can also edit the diagram here. And there guys, so you can freely edit this if you want. And with this you can also make use of any diagrams. Just make sure that um, you are describing what you want for ChatGPT so that they can produce it for you. So you can make use of graphs and anything guys. So there. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.